Welcome back to the channel. We got the gang all here. It's time to go for this hike to the Punch Bowl. Let's get it. This is the first hike of the year, honestly. Found this on TikTok. I'm excited. I don't know where I'm going, but you know, the air out here is cleaner. The water's cleaner. Even the dirt looks cleaner. You know what I'm saying? Look at it.
Dirt looks cleaner.
This hike is supposedly around like an hour and a half to get to the end of the hike and then an hour and a half back. Rock with us on this adventure, y'all. Like, look.
I think this is all going downhill, right?
We want to do a stretch to start the day off. This is kind of crazy. All right, we're coming across our first little obstacle. This one first, y'all. Here we go. He did it with a whole dog, so I'm sure I can do it. Oh! Oh! You say what?
Yeah!
American Ninja Warrior.
That was pretty scary.
Not American Ninja Warrior. That was the first one, y'all. First of many. We're coming up on number 2 right here, right now. Number 2, here we go.
I said, look, Ma, no hands. Here, record me. Okay.
Yeah, I know at this point. Same. No, you're good. Feel good?
Are your toes wet?
No. Nice jump. No jump. Hey. Look at that. Either way, yo. That thing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, right? This segment is fun facts with Sony.
know that the largest river in California is the Sacramento River, and it's 384 miles long, and it's 35% of our water resource. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
What about the LA River?
That's like our third river.
Comment down below if you knew that.
Oh, whoa, you got my ear too. What is this bug spray? Don't work.
I missed. Oh no.
Keep moving.
Get bit?
Did you get bit?
We'll see. Fun fact, did you know that we have no idea how eels reproduce?
Eels?
Eels!
Like the...
Scientists have no idea where eels come from.
Could be man-made. Could be a big germ.
I think they're aliens.
How come these rocks are not solid? Oh wow, these rocks are solid. Come on. We made it!
Big rock.
Yeah, there you go. Use your momentum. Keep
You got
going.
water for you, you good.
Yeah.
Now this one you gotta jump to this one.
Jumping.
It's a small leap. You got it.
Get closer.
Throw it.
Yeah! Let's go, Cook!
Isn't that one better?
Yeah, but this. All right, go ahead.
You didn't take it to the first one.
Easy. Nice. That rock right there.
Not like that. Please don't do it like that. Don't do that.
1 foot up, 1 foot at a time. Yeah, there you go. You got it. You got it. You got it. Nah.
They did it.
Big rock.
When looking for a walking stick, you want to look for one where it's not too heavy, but sturdy enough where it could support you and propel you into your next step.
What about with like creatures come along and try to attack you?
Oh yeah, also doubles as protection. But if creatures come and try and attack you, they won't because we're friends.
That was honestly probably the greatest investment. That was the greatest investment, I'm not gonna lie. Fish and a punch bowl. Yeah, that's what I want. That's what I want to see.
What's the punch bowl? Yeah.
It's basically like just like like a little like pond kind of thing, but it's like deep.
You wanna jump in?
Yeah. I brought shorts for it. Not necessarily the story of it, but hold on real quick. What's the fun fact?
So apparently they've just uncovered the second largest diamond in the world, right?
Yeah.
You said over how many carats?
3,000.
3,000 carats.
Yeah.
Did you know that the weight of diamonds and pearls and minerals and all that is carats, which are actually seeds, and that's how they used to measure the weight of your diamonds and gold.
Did not know that.
Carats actually is a carrot seed.
Like from actual carrots?
No.
Oh.
And so they'd actually put the like small tiny seeds on a scale to weigh how much your diamond is, and that's how they got the term
Carrots. Ah.
It has nothing to do with the purity of your diamond.
It's just the actual weight of it.
Yeah.
Ah. Did not know that, peoples. Did you know that?
So, in Sierra Leone,
Sierra Leone.
they used to have, there was a war going on.
Okay.
And all the diamonds come from Africa.
Yes.
Like 99%.
Yes.
Diamonds from Africa. So, during this war, since Africa had so many diamonds, they would pretty much, force refugees to search for the diamonds, and then they would sell it to Americas, whatever, and they would sell it to the U.S. and
Go
they
this way,
would
Cook.
give them guns in exchange for diamonds.
What?
You gonna go up this way or you wanna cross now?
What's
They
over
would,
there?
like, I'm just saying it's a path right here to go like, and then go over there where they're at. Or we can just cross now.
We go around.
Okay. You said they exchanged diamonds for guns and stuff?
Yeah, so like USA was actually funding the war in Africa, giving them guns. So what?
No, I'm not sure.
Yeah. There's a bunch of trees broken down.
That's crazy. So, in exchange for diamonds,
Diamonds were worth nothing in Africa. They were worth nothing.
it was just a rock.
But they knew it. The
A
United
mineral.
States wanted them. The United States would give them guns to fund the war, and then take the diamonds and come over here and sell them for millions.
Oh my gosh.
Cut them up and stuff. So there was a guy. If you ever seen the movie Blood Diamond,
No, I don't think I have.
so pretty much he found a big pink diamond. And he hid it. And he later went back and found it. And then went to America and became rich. Saved his family.
So basically, long story short, is
Diamonds are only worth something to people.
my foot is wet. Frick. My foot's wet. Did your foot dry off?
Yeah.
But basically, long story short, is they were killing for those diamonds, yo. They was giving away guns and stuff to fund the war. If you didn't know, now you know. Good story.
Did you know that only female mosquitoes bite? And they actually have 3, what are those called?
Wings?
No, the stabby thingy.
They have 3 of them?
Yeah. I forget what they're called, but
Stabby thingies.
one is to numb you.
Yeah.
The other is to like melt your blood. And then the third one is to like suck your blood. I'm in it. My shoes are waterproof. Don't worry.
What about the top?
But don't even You see?
You can tell by her shoes are waterproof.
I think my socks already dry though.
Good.
From when I fell earlier.
Meanwhile, her
No,
neck
she was soaking in there.
She was submerging.
in the water.
There's water in my shoes. But the tops of my shoes are waterproof.
She's fully submerged in water. Talking about my feet.
Fully submerged.
And then say you want my walking stick, it works. We're almost there.
All right, y'all, we are about a little under 2 hours into the hike and we still have not yet made it. Took one stop, tie shoes, small stretches, but I think we're getting there. We took a little detour. It probably took us off the correct path, but you know, you live and you learn. You live and you learn. Chris got his shirt off. I mean, it's go time. Sony got a walking stick. She back there. Cook is getting hot, aren't you? It's a good workout though, right?
I'm almost out of water.
No, you're not. I got a whole nother water for you. I will say this. What makes this path hard is the amount of rocks you have to travel over. It isn't like an up and down thing, it's just a rock thing. Arrows tell you where to go. Oh yeah, no, this is cool. About 2.5 miles in right now, so it's always good.
Skyline. The zip line. I could use one of those, a zip line.
Oh man. I have made it out of the shirt, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. The shirt was soaking
Here's
wet.
the waterfall.
You gotta go over there.
So excited.
I'm so excited! So excited! You hear the waterfall, Cook?
The waterfall.
And I'm hearing people too, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. You said you hear friends?
I see our friend.
I do see our friends. Our friends are down there, they made it. They made it.
Come on, amigo! Come on, no!
We made it to one of the waterfalls, y'all. I think we're about to get in now. He was just swimming in it right there. I mean, it ain't like the big one. The big one, I think you gotta keep going. I think these are the waterfalls, beautiful.
No, it's not.
The big one?
Yeah.
I think you gotta keep going down. You guys see a waterfall? I almost died. It's low-key hard, y'all. By the way, y'all, Crocs are not it. These things do not, in the water they grip, but outside of the water, trash cans. Oh, thank you, go ahead. But we're here at the Santa Paula Punch Bowl. We made it. They lied to us. Everybody was just lying to us for no reason. They was telling us it was 3 miles. They didn't want us to see this. They didn't want us to reach success. We have made it, y'all. We got it. We made it. A waterfall. It was worth it. We made it. We made it. We made it to the waterfall. I'm gonna eat my way into it, y'all. Man just jumped right in. It's cold. We did. It took us a while. Oh man. Oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Not that bad. Yeah. I mean, it's cold, but I mean, I'm in it. I didn't walk this far to not get in it. Yes. Yeah, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
Yeah, right.
Oh my God. It's cold. We made it. Let's go. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Nah, this one is crazy, y'all. The waterfall.
You jumping in? You gonna jump in?
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna jump in. I gotta get used to it. I gotta get used to it.
Hike this far, not to jump
Not to jump in. Nah, thanks. This was a hike, y'all. This was a hike. I don't know what's about to go on. He about to jump.
Yo, I'm taking over. I'm taking over the vlog right now. We here. It took us a long time to get here. It's about a 3-hour hike to get here, but we here. We here. You jumping in, Cook?
I gotta find out this mug waterproof. Are you waterproof?
We're gonna find out.
We're about to find out right now. It's cold?
I'm recording you. It's gonna take me a minute to
I'm gonna walk out in.
No, Evan, we gonna let me do this.
I'm walking in. It's cold?
It's freezing.
You good? What did you just jump in?
I'm walking. No, there's rocks right there. I told you.
It's cold!
It's slippery.
It's cold!
Let me have your water shoes.
It's slippery!
It feels good now.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Who's that be?
All right, y'all, look.
Come on.
We just trekked 10 miles to get to this point. And we are here at the Punch Bowl, y'all. You see the waterfall? I'm so scared! That one? Bro, I'm like really nervous though, because I know how cold it is. Hey, make sure I hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all tune in.
Come on, Ev. Come on, Ev. Let's go.
I'm so scared. It's just water.
It's just water.
It's just water.
It's just water. What are we doing?
It's cold!
Evan, come on, bro.
Hey, we ain't come this far.
We ain't come this far. It's
It's just water, bro.
I seen Kookie do it. Bro, they already did it.
You seen me do it.
I seen Ev do it.
I did it.
You know what I'm saying? It's water. It's cold. But we've been in cold water before.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
I told him.
I heard that. That's a good thing, man. I don't even do this type of stuff. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
Just jump that way too, okay?
Jump that way, yeah.
Yeah.
See where we go. Come on, man. I jumped out of a plane.
A plane, bro.
Man, I done did, what's that, bungee jumping.
Bungee jumping, bro.
Let's just jump off a little small cliff and be.
This is nothing.
We're gonna do it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I know. You did it.
I did though.
You did that.
Appreciate you.
You did that.
Yeah.
Bro, this is crazy though. Like the waterfall. How you feel? Was this worth it?
When I did it, I like that.
It was worth
Look at
it.
the same thing.
You cold?
No, it's like feeling my body to go down this mountain.
Oh yeah.
You know what?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Our legs deserve it after all that, you know?
This was 1000% worth it. Oh man. Natural elements, y'all. Natural elements. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Please, please. Turn the notifications on. Oh man. Oh my goodness. This is intense. It's cold, but this is amazing, right?
It feels good.
It feels good.
I gotta get out.
There's another part with like a natural water slide, but it's a little bit further up. But honestly, this was cool to me. This was cool to me, man. If you guys ever get a chance, the hike it's a brutal hike, I'll tell you that. But to get to this point is kind of fire. You don't get to see stuff like this in California too often. It's a little ways away, but it's cool.
Jump in with you? Yeah.
Keep the camera rolling.
Falling.
That's all in the water. Here we go. We all made it. We gotta do one more, y'all. Everybody jump at the same time. I'll get somebody to record.
Let's do it.
We gotta do one more.
Oh gosh.
Excuse me, sir. Hey y'all, it's so refreshing, but it's so cold at the same time. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's so refreshing, but it's so cold. Oh my god.
Woo, let's go.
Smash the subscribe button, y'all. And we out.